What's up, YouTube? Captain Will Done RC. We are still out here at the little park area. It's kind of fun to fly over there too when we got different planes, but these are kind of fragile gear on these, so we don't want to break more stuff. So anytime that you had an opportunity to have pavement, take advantage of it. Take advantage of it. All right, let's quit waffling. All right, let's put her up, have some more fun.
I'm gonna cut you. Minutes.
Trying to keep it kind of close.
Minutes. Minutes. Minutes.
That's what I like about this plane. You can go into doing some wild stuff like that just to slow it down. Oh no! Oh! Oh! All right, at least I'm still in the air. I got that with on video, brother.
minutes.
I knew if the little ones go, it'll happen.
Well, I don't want to tear this one up. I like this one too much.
I was trying to save mine. It was almost there.
You lost the prop.
I did. I was almost there and I lost the prop. I was pulling out. Dude. Alright. Finally one that didn't end in catastrophic.
I know, right? Goodness. See what our voltage is here, 10.5. We are 3.56. All right, Clint, we're gonna come in and land.
3 minutes.
Oh, and now the wind wants to start picking up.
I felt it. I'm gonna nip you in, man. It's picking right up. Catch it. Just catch it. Do that. Even better.
Sit her down. Sit her down.
I was trying
I
to
think
stay
that
away, but get close. Stay away, but get close.
need to put a little bit more glue on that.
Any
That
prop
gear right there. Nope, no prop damage. We're good. We're good.
I think I might have teared that one.
Oh yeah. Yep, you guys, that was a fun flight. E-Flight Eratix. Ooh yeah, buddy. So that's all the batteries that I got with me. And yeah. But hey, we got out here, we flew, it's cold, it's fun, and yeah, we got some flights in, and they were successful. That's all we asked for, right? Well, all right, you guys, until next time, give me that thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Signing out.